Yes. Now we have to be started question number 15 of again same exercise, that is 3.4. Question number 15 is saying question number 15. Now this is the one more question which is of row transformations. So this is 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 and 2. Now this is the question number 15. Question number 15, you have given this matrix A and you have to find its inverse by the row transformations. Now how we have to be done? Let us suppose I'll write down A, this is your A, and now I'll use the I3 for A. We have do the same operations. Now we have using the I3 and A. Now see, I'll write down here 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. Now this is A matrix, and now you have I3 will be your 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So is it the same 3 into 3 order matrix, and this is your A. Now you have to find the solution of this matrix, and we have to be operated like this: 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 and 2. Now first you have to be operation you are doing, operate R1 to R3, means you row transformations R1 to R3. I'll write down in capital letters so that you can easily get. I'll write down in capital letters, that is R1 to R3, means interchange these two rows. So I'll get your answer will be 3 minus 2 and 2. Here is the middle of the row will be 2 2 3, and now you can write 2 minus 3 and 3. Now since I'll use this operation, so same way I'll use the same operation on the right hand side, which is 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 0 1 0, and you have again 1 0 0. So I'll interchange R1 to R3 with the same manners. So this is the first operation on the right hand side, and left hand side both way I'll have to done. Now I use the operations which is R1 minus R2 for R1 stands. Now R1 stands R1 minus R2. Now this is the first operations I'll do. This is because of I'll get 3 minus 2, so I'll get the 1. So here is for R1 operations. So R1 operation from the left hand side I'll get 3 minus 2, I'll get 1, first 1, then your minus 2 and minus 2 will be gives you minus 4, and 2 and minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is your minus 1. So this is one part, and rest of your figures are same, that is 2 2 and 3 and 2 and minus 3 and 3. This is the figure have to be same. You have to get this one figure as it is, and same operations will be on the right hand side, that is your R1 minus R2. So you have to use R1 minus R2 will be your 0, because R1 is also 0, and R2 for A1 1 and A2 1 you would find 0 minus 0 will be 0, and you have 0 your R1 and minus 1, so it will be minus 1, and 1 minus 0 will be your 1. So, rest of them will be the same, 0 1 0 and 1 0 0, and this is your A. Now, up to it here we have to use. Next will be, because I will get 1 here, so now I will get here to be 0, because I use the same matrix here on this side. So, for making 0 and 1 here, I will search that operation which makes 0 here and 1 here. So, one by one we will do that operation. So, do R2 minus 2 of R1. R2 stands R2 minus 2 of R1, means operate R2 to R2 minus 2 of R1. So, this operations we have done. So, see what we had to get here. We go through R2 minus 2 of R1. So, our I'll go on the R2 operation. So, 1 minus 4 as it is, minus 1 is as it is, and your R2 minus 2 of R1. So, you would get 2 minus 2 of R1. So, this gives you 0 here, and R2 minus 2 of R1 means 8. So, your 2 4 ja 8 minus plus, and you have minus plus. So, here you would get, I think so, 10. I will just write down here so that you can understand. R2 means 2 and minus 2 of minus 4. So, your this will be 4 to 8. So, minus 8 will be here. So, minus plus 8 will be here. So, plus 2 will be there, and you would find 10. So, this goes 10. This is your 10, and this will be your R2 minus 3 of R1. So, it gives you 3 minus 2 of minus 1. So, it gives you 2 1 ja 2 minus plus. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to your 5. So, here is your 5, and rest figure is same, because I will do the operation 2 minus 3 and 3. So, I will operate on the right hand side same way. So, this is your again your 0 minus 1 1, and now you have to R2 operate R2 minus 2 of R1. So, R2 means your 0 and minus 2 of R1. So, 0. So, it gives you 0. So, R2 means here 1, and minus 2 of R1 means your value will be come out 1 minus minus of 2. So, this gives you, I think so, 2 1 ja 2, and this gives you 3. So, your 3 will be come out. So, I will write down here 3, this is plus sign, and now we have to win R2. So, your 0 is here, 0 is here R2, and minus of 2 of R1 means 2 of 1. So, it gives you minus 2. So, here is a minus 2 is here, and you would get 1 0 0, the same way you have getting this part. So, continue with this one. Your yes, now come to the next part. Operate. Our next operation is, you are doing something like because you want here to be 1. So, operate 10 means I will divide it by, if I will use 10. So, here we will get the 10 will be there. So, divide R2 stands, R2 operation will be 1 upon 10 into R2. Now, this operation you can do. So you would find this operation will be again R2 to 1 by 10 of R2. So this gives you your operation 1 minus 4 minus 1, this gives you 0, this is your 1, and this is your 5 by 10, so means 1 by 2 is there, and here is your 2 minus 3 and 3, and here is your on this side your operation 0 minus 1 1, and this gives you 0, 0 divided by 10, so 0 is there. You have 3 divided by 10, so your 3 by 10, and minus 2 divided by your 10, so it will be minus 1 by 5, and here is 1 0 0. So this operations you are getting here, and this is your A. Now come to the next part, that is your this one. So I'll use in this case R3 minus operation R3 tends to R3 minus 2 of R1. So this operation I'll do on this matrix. So you would find what you would get. You would get R3 minus 2 of R1. So rest of the your matrix will be same. So 1 minus 4 minus 1 0 1 1 by 2, and now you have R3 operated on the 3 R3 minus 2 of R1. So 2 minus your 2, so this gives you 0, so this gives you 0 part, and now R3 means minus 3 you can write here minus 3 R3, and minus 2 times of R1 means minus 4, so it gives you 4 to the 8, minus 8 means plus 8, so 8 minus 3 plus 8, so it gives you 5, so this gives you 5 plus, and next part is your next part is 3. So you can write 3 minus of 2 times of minus 1, so it gives you plus 2, so it gives you 5, so it will be 5. So this is your left hand side, and now on the right hand side after this you would get the operation on R3. So your right hand side operation is 0 minus 1 1, and your 0 3 by 10 and minus 1 upon 5, and in R3 you operate like this, R3 minus 2 of R1, so it gives you R3 means 1, and minus 2 of R1 means 2 into 0, so it gives you 0, so 1 is there, so it gives you 1 itself, and now R3 means 0, second case your R3 will be your 0, here is a 0, so 0 goes, minus 2 of R1 gives you minus 1, so it gives you 2 1 ja 2, so which gives you plus 2, so it gives you plus 2, and now will be your 0, next term will be 0, here is a 0, and here you would find minus sign with 2 times of R1, so 1, so it gives you minus 2, so it gives you minus 2. So this is your right hand side A. And now come to the part your, because up to at this mark we have done, so I'll divide 1 by 5, divide 1 by 5 of R3, this operation is a better one. So R3 1 by, so you would get 1 minus 4 minus 1 0 1 1 by 2, and this gives you 0, this is your 1, this is your 1. So this operations we can get on this side. R3 tends to operate this one, so this is easy to make out, and now we have to mean on the right hand side similar part, that is 0, minus 1, 1, and 0, 3 upon 10. This is minus 1 upon 5. Now in this case you have 1 upon 5. This is 2 upon 5. This is minus 2 upon 5. So I'll operate this part A. Now this is so easier for us to make out the next steps. Continue with that part of. Now I'll see one R3. I'll make this R2. R3, operate R3. R3 operations, your R3 minus R1, R3 minus R2, sorry, R3 minus R2. So what we can get? R3 minus R2. Now we can see here we will get left hand side will be 1 minus 4 minus 1 0 1 1 half, then R3 minus of R2. So this gives you 0. Then 1 minus 1 will be goes 0, and your this one 1 minus half. So it gives you 1 minus half. So it gives you 2. So 1 half. 1 minus 1 half, it gives you 2 minus 1. So 1 half is there. 1 half is left. So this is on the left hand side. On the right hand side you would get 0 minus 1 1 0 3 by 10 and minus 1 by 5, and this gives you R3 minus R2. So 1 by 5 minus 0, so it gives you 1 by 5 itself. This gives you 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10, it gives you 10 LCM. 5 to the 10, to 2 to the 4 minus 10 itself, so 3. So 1 by 10 is left. So 1 by 10 is left. So 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Now here is minus 2 by 5 and minus sign, minus minus plus sign, so 1 upon 5. So this gives you 5 LCM. This gives minus 2 plus 1, so it gives you minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 here. So this is minus 2 by 5 and minus minus plus 1 by 5. So it gives you your 1 by 5. So minus 2, and this is your minus 1 by 5. So it gives you this. So this is something like you solve, and here is your A itself. Now come to the next one. Again you can do R3 operations. R3 you can take it multiplied by 2. R3 operate R3 2 of R3. Now multiplied by 2, you would get 1 minus 4 minus 1, and this is your 0 1 1 half, and this gives you 2 of R1, which gives you 0 0 1. Now this is your up to at this mark, and here is on the right hand side your right hand side is 0 minus 1 1 0 3 by 10, your minus 1 by 5, your 1 by first right here, sorry, and this is also 2 by 10 is also there. This is 2 by 5 is there. So I multiplied 2 times of R3. So I'll write down. So 2 of 2 by 5, 2 by 10, 2 by 5 minus. Okay. So this is the last operation, and afterwards this you would find up to at this mark we have done. Now we have left with these two terms. So I'll go with this part. So what we do of R3 operations, as we have get Now we have to further do the operation R2 tends to R2 minus half of R3. Now if you can see, this means you can only operate on R2 half of R3. Means you have using only operation on this matrix. So if you can see here, R2 will be here 0 minus of half of R3. These operations we will do on this stage. So you would find R2 stands R2 minus half of R3. So it gives you 0 minus 0 will be 0, and now your R2 half of R3 means here you would find R2 means 1 and minus of 0 will be only 1. Then you have R2 is your 1 half and minus of into 1, you would find this gives you your value 0. So here you are means A2 3 element goes to 0. So now you have to be using the same 0 0 1 as it is, means your first row as it is, your third row as it is, and your only change will be in the R2 operation. And similar you can do in these operations. If you can see R2, so similarly R2 is here 0, and 0 minus your 1 half of R3 means you can say it is 2 by 5 here. So you would find R2 minus 0 of minus half of R3 gives you here 2 by 5. Then next will be your R3 is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 here, if you can see 3 by 10 and you subtract half of 2 by 10, so you would find this value gives you your 2 by 10. And now you have to use the your value will be on the 1 half and then 0. Then third value will be your, if you can see minus 1 by half and minus of 1 half R3. So you would find 1 half of R3 means minus 2 by 5. So you would find this value gives you get this value R2 on operations, your value goes to 0. So in this way you can operate only R2. So your changes will be in R2 will be there, and your R1 and R3 will be the similar one. Now come to the next operation, which is your R12 tends to R1 plus 4 of R2. Now when you do this 4 of R2, so means you will only apply this R1. So R1 means 1 and 1 plus 4 of R2 means 4 of 0. So your 1 is as it is, and then R1 is minus 4 and plus 4 of R2. R2 means your 4. So multiplied with 4 plus 4 and minus 4 goes to 0. So it gives you 0. And then similarly your value minus 1, that is R1, and 4 times of R2, that is 0. So it gives you minus 1. So this operation of R1 will be the same here, you applying on this stage. Similarly you applying here your same value, that is R1 plus 4 of R2. So your value will be you would find 0. R1 is 0. So your 4 times, if you can multiply this, so you would get minus 1 by 5, and then when you apply this minus 1 and plus 4 of R2, you would get your value will be come out your minus 1. Then your value when you applying here 1 plus 4 of R2 means 4 of 0, so your 1 is here. So you would find the similar values, and rest of them 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 as it is, and this value only you can list it as you have previous one. So we will write the same values as it is. Now come to the last operation, that is operate R1 plus R3. You would operating R1 plus R3, you would find that this value gives you your 1 0 minus 1 gives you 1 0 0 1, because R1 plus R3 this goes to 0, and here 0 plus 0 is goes to 0, and 1 plus 0 is equal to your 0 1. So this left hand side you would get the identity matrix, whereas on the right hand side you would find On applying the R1 operations, you would find R1 plus 4 of R2, you would find minus 4 by 5, then you would find minus 1 by 5, and then you can 1. So your value will be come out like this. So this value is basically inverse of A. So this is after solving, if we can solve this one, 4 by 5, you would find this value gives you your minus 2 by 5, 0, and 3 by 5, and this gives you minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this way your rest of the value the R1 plus R2. So you would, after adding R1 plus R3, you would find your value will be minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, this gives you 0, and then 1 and minus 2 by 5, you would find your minus sign will be plus sign, so it will be 3 by 5. So your A inverse, you would find the answer of this matrix will be minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this is the final result of this, and you can do other questions similar way